Ka Meghalaya Pineapple Festival ka basaw, kala Sdang menta ka sngi hadili hat New Delhi, da ka jing tmu ban pen inam bat pen paunam yo sohtrun na Meghalaya, u balayo jing yaro hakaleng kari India, bat wat shabar riru namar ka jing bang bat ka jing tiang jong u. Na kaliang ki paitbah tang marsin wan poi u sohtrun na ka jylla, kila boy bat tang shipang ula lutno, ha ka jaka ba penlong ya ka te ka tamasa, ka ba pen pau ba u sohtrun na ka jylla u de shisha u badan ka jing dawa, wat shabar jylla, bat ka jylla ka pha kumba arpusan metrik tan u sohtrun, bat kumba arspa san pongut kinong rap ha ka ni ka tamasa ka balai sngi. Lawan ban play ya ka ni ka tamasa do Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng upapet ya ka tanat Communication and Development of North Eastern Region Ujyoti Raditya Skindia ha ka jingdan lang Menteri rangba ka Meghalaya u konrat ke sangma u Commissioner and Secretary ka Sarkar Meghalaya u Vijay Kumar kinong rap bat bun ki officer ka jylla. Haba ajing keren Ujyoti Raditya Skindia ula ajing ro ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya kabla shim ya ka ni ka senjam ban pen pau paitbah ya ka jinglong kerpang jang sohtrun na Meghalaya bat ban plilat ikinong rap bakin yo ki yo ki bahe ula ong ba ka jing yo jing rap ba jing yo nong na kinong rap kala kiyo shibun haba nujor bat kisnem baladam. Menteri ula pen pau ru ba sohtrun na Meghalaya uday ubathyang tam ha kari India. Ula ong baka jylla kala pau namru ha ka jingpen mi ya ki marap ki bakodor kom ushin rai lakadong using bat usomrit bat ki wei ki badan ka jingdawa ka bajur ha ki yo bat ka ne ka ailat ikinong rap ban kentiu ya ka jingyo ka kot jangki bat ka yo ka kot ka jylla hi baro ka wei. Ula yoro ru ya ki program jang ka Sarkar Meghalaya kom ka MLAM program, CM Farm Plus program, Meghalaya Organic Mission bat ki wei da ka baong ba palat khandai pho hajar ngut kinong rap kila yo jing mentoy na kini ki scheme. Ula ong ba ka jing yetre lang ha pedeng ka Sarkar bat kinong rap kadai ka benta ka bakong san ban pen urlong ya ka thong Viksit Bharat bat ban pen long ya ka than shatai lamingi kom ke engine jong ka roi ka par kari. Hakabokut Ujyoti Raditya Skindia ula kintu ya kinong rap bakin nang tray shitom bat pinhe ya ka jingpen mi ula ong baka Ministry of Donor ringkat bat ki wei bat ki tanat ka Sarkar Pedeng kadang shimbun ki senjam ban kentiu ya ki marap papau nam jang ka than khamtam ushin rai lakadong khanang bakin nong rap kin tang ban pinbun ya ka jingpen mi henrei kin yo ru ya ka dor ka babyang bat ka jing yo nong ka bakham baha ha ki yo. Nakaliang Menteri rangba ka jylla u konrat ke sangma habakran ha ka sngi ula ong baka ne ka tamasa sohtrun menta usnam kadai ka bakham he haba nujor bat kisnam baladap da ka jingshim benta khambun jang ki nong rap bat ki nong seng kam la jong bat ka ne ka pen kala shibun ya ka jing em jang ki nong rap khamtam ka jing kiu ha ka yo ka kot kumba ka Sarkar ka don ya ka thong bat lingba ka ni ka tamasa bun na ki nong rap kin yo ka jing hikai ka jing mentoy bat kumchu ru ka kamai ka bakham he bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka dan shibun ka thong ban kentiu ya ki wei ki marap na lor u sohtrun. U konrat ula pen pau baka Sarkar jylla kandang beteng ban a ya ki lat jingerap ban pen klan ya ka jingyat yo bat ban pen pau ya ki marap ki papau nam jang ka jylla ha ki yo bahe khanang baka Meghalaya kanang long ka jylla ka baklan ha ka liang ka rap ka riang bat ka yo ka kon. Take it.
पाइनएप्पल कितने got a processing unit and all that in Meghalaya.
जब आप एक बार फिर से अपनी तालियों के साथ अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स दें विद अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज लेट्स विश बेस्ट ऑफ आवर विशेस बेस्ट ऑफ गुड लक और रूबरू हो पाएंगे। इसमें बहुत कुछ ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशंस हैं जो आप सबके बहुत काम की हैं और सचमुच जो इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है आपको पाइनएप्पल।
My best wishes for the 4th edition of the Meghalaya Pineapple Festival, and I'm very confident that as our entrepreneurs, as our farmers, as our FPOs embark upon the journey to move forward and move ahead, they will be planting the Meghalaya flag and the India flag across every corner of the world. In the next couple of days, we'll be launching a new plan for Meghalaya's Lakadong turmeric, where the Ministry of Donor, along with the Ministry of Agriculture, along with APEDA, along with the state government of Meghalaya, has come up with a very concrete plan to ensure that farmers not only grow the crop, but engage in value addition. We need to ensure that farmers go up the value chain, participate in the value addition curve of every single product. And that is the value that we hope to bring to Meghalaya through the unique selling proposition idea of Lakadong turmeric. So we have a bevy of jewels to offer to the world from Meghalaya. Pineapple is one of them. And I'm very confident that people from across the north to the south, east to the west, will savor the beautiful sweetness of not only Meghalaya's pineapple, but our culture, our people, and take away with them in their hearts the warmth of the Meghalayan soil. Thank you very much for having me.
For taking his time and coming here to motivate us, as always, to support us and to be part of this wonderful festival which has become a calendar event for the citizens of Delhi, where people have been experiencing this every year. And every year we have seen the response increasing, the participation increasing. And this year I can very confidently say that this is definitely till date one of the best pineapple festivals that the people of Delhi have seen as a whole. And our endeavor, sir, I want to share with you, has really been to connect our farmers, our entrepreneurs, our self-help groups to the market throughout the country. The kind of potential that we have in not just the state of Meghalaya, but in the entire region of the Northeast. This potential needs to be unlocked, and this potential needs to be shared and presented to the rest of the country. The demand has always been there, but it has been the overall connect, the outreach, and in enabling the different stakeholders to come together has been really one of the major challenges. So while we started off with the Pineapple Festival, today you will see that there are different products whether turmeric products that are produced in Meghalaya or the different spices, the black pepper that we have, the different other fruits that we grow, all of the different aspects and the different entrepreneurs are here today. We've also combined it with, our music, because as you know, music is a integral part of our society, of our culture, and of the identity of who we are. And therefore we have come here to present not just our pineapple, not just our entrepreneur or our products, but also present our culture and our music to the people of the country and specifically to the people here in Delhi.
Kani pitiu so ade keteng jonga dai midot binong pangasong osnong marngar pranggang ade Sharman jongka nangkiu saprang farmer producer organization kaneka farmer producer organization nangkiu saprang kahap nadu sang bangla pambio lum nokra mapro sautili kisnong na marngar untuk lang sautili kisnong kidon kumba laispa sau pomur kinong rep jungwan jonga sa podulhi bangira yakini ki sohtrun kalong sibenta kumban promotion kabanungkung ngahabayu yak sokar Meghalaya kabla simkhya ban promote yakini ki jingmi jong kinong rep jungi khamtam habadai kinong rep kumbang itip minong sohtrun kidai ki bangila rep takis pasne mensua hendrai ngi patlaban skill up kane patlaban rep kumbadai ki entrepreneurs namar ba bondon kayo kahat hendrai lingba ka simkhya jungku sokar jungi bat kiwe ki department kum ka Meghalaya kabal ayangi ka organic certificate bat ki food processing bat ka horticulture tractor fruit bat kiwe ki department te khamtam apa penlung kum kane ka festival man promote yakini ki jingmi jungi kinong rep tengi kinong rep bru ngiyo mensim ban rep khambon susu namar habang ngiyo ya kayo hanpep kinong rep nikmen ngiyo wanra sohtrun hangne apo dulhi kambo alolong ko promotion te ngilayo sibun kinong tit nangnai sakman bru adin ngilayo sibun ki company rane kinong tit sohtrun te jingwanra hangne kalong mungi display ba pani banangne patengiyo ya kiyo ki batikna ba kinodar ini ban surprise ne hendrai sateng idi ki sohtrun nongkong pen isu swa ngade ba pren ronghang de chairman jong ka umang peluna bises pangidang suyo shen kata ka organic certificate nakalyang ka Magnolia leng bada ki government Meghalaya jong kajing wanra jongi om bangi wanra hingi ging kinong rap hendrai leng bada ki sarkar jong nadu ki horticulture nadu ki department of fair nadu ki MBMA ang nakalyang ki Magnolia ki trailang nakalyang ka marketing booth ki food processing ki trailang ban pen ya iyo ki marjong ni kinong rap ni don kam sibun ki yo hendrai nadu hendai ki pangim parti pelenti ni sukut tang kayo lokal hendrai mentanadu bayalam ki sarkar ni lasngai ni layo kayo ki bahe menta phila I markmat sohtrun mar supli lalut kakatno ka jingkar khu yang kinong rap banga ai khuble terpang ya ki nong yalam jongi kumu CM jongi Konrad sangma Preston Tensong sia bhalang dhar kini ki minister ki ba song hakmat ai khuble terpang ya ki ba kinang pentaulat chu na benta jongi kinong rap om tang yang asimet re baro kinong song jong ka Meghalaya baro kawe ki Knieh school mar chulai ka pule ki awat wi kam sarkar hendrai mentaleng bada kine ngim don kam ban puslai tang ka marap ngelaim takadang ma penslur kinong song jong ka Meghalaya jongi bangin tristom ngim den ban ya theo yawo iwe ya iwe ngin ya tristom ngin ya minot lang ban kentiu ka yo ka kot nakalyang jonga tangkan ne khule sibun mentasnem namar ngidang persang namar mensam ngiklem certificate tilong isu ket lembuk katarum ya dapre hendrai mentasnem pat nilai yo certificate nakalyang Magnolia organic certificate ke mental lasdang yakni tiap ka kiton ne na chutrai kumba kikoring isura san hajar kuri tam kajing mentrai ka bangiyo galong ba om bangi penyayo hangne hendrai yu shu kenduk kinong rap bat kinong tit kon da kidesno don kam ta kamut kinwan cha state jongi kinwan kenduk kinong rap bat sarkar kin pha chane chakba kambun hangne kalong ba sayo lokal jongi ting ka kiu ting ka hiar hendrai hangne kane sa kam yukla tagadau kam jo dong hangne ni hangne mentang ya di prafo kang balong ki transportation ki siu sarkar Namar balalong kum kajing first new. Men chua ngiwan terwa hajio. Men takiwan wat per nongrap. Kata kade kajing so ngu. Tong ngimla chuban ya kuble terpang hanre. Chuduai ba kindang ya pting kasing sekrepai baju.
Very happy we are in Delhi Heart here. We are here for the 4th edition of the Meghalaya Pineapple Festival. So Meghalaya, as you all know, is a very beautiful northeastern state, and Meghalaya is known for a lot of amazing products that are produced in the state. The pineapple is one such product. Meghalaya's pineapples are the sweetest pineapples in the country, and I'm very proud and happy. I'm the Agriculture Secretary of Meghalaya, and these pineapples are grown with a lot of difficulty by the farmers because they are grown in deep valleys and all. But we have been very successful in bringing these pineapples all the way to Delhi, and of course now they are also getting exported to Middle East and other countries. So the idea is that though we are very, very far, we started off with this idea of how we can bring this produce to markets, to high-paying markets, metros like Delhi, Bombay, and to international markets. So we started this journey 4 years ago. In 2023, we started the first edition of the Pineapple Festivals here at Delhi Heart. Now this is the 4th edition. So every year we have been going bigger and bigger. So we bring fresh pineapple, but at the same time back home, we have set up a number of processing units, both large and small, with which the pineapple is being processed. Pineapple is being processed into churrasco pineapples, which goes into barbecue nation. It is being processed into freeze-dried pineapples. It is being processed into frozen slices. So all these are getting exported. Of course, it is a part of it is getting exported. It will take some more time for the entire production to kind of go to higher markets. And the net result of all this is farmers of Meghalaya are earning higher income. Many of our farmers previously who used to get only 12 rupees, 10 rupees per kilo for pineapple, today they are getting 20 rupees, 25 rupees per kilo. So which means automatically the income of our farmers is getting doubled. So I think this is the grand vision under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma. We have been doing it post-COVID very consistently, almost from 2021. But I think in the last 3-4 years, we have seen many successes. And as Honorable Donor Minister Sir also mentioned, it's not just pineapple. We have a range of products. We have the best turmeric in the world. We have ginger, which is very high quality. We have bay leaf. We have pepper. We have a lot of fruits, which are of very high quality. So all of them, I think we have supported many of our entrepreneurs. So these entrepreneurs are making wonderful products, whether it is processed products, pickles, jams, jellies, all kinds of things are being made, and they are packed and processed at very high quality. And if you look at the packaging today, I think Meghalaya's packaging is probably one of the best in the country, especially what the thing made by the farmers. So I think it's a great opportunity for the farmers. This time we brought 250 farmers, and we brought about 25 metric tons of pineapple. So if you can see the rush at the stalls, I think people are buying and taking these pineapples. And I think the end result of 4 years of effort is that today I feel in Delhi and in other parts, pineapple means people think of Meghalaya. I think we have been able to establish that brand, like how you have an Alfonso mango or some fruit which is associated with some place. So we have been able to establish that association that Meghalaya pineapples are very sweet, and they are indeed very sweet. They are easy to cut at home and consume. So I think that's the story. Thank you.